Welcome to Best Choice. The best Baneblade review is probably one of the most iconic vehicles in the Warhammer 40,000 universe. This behemoth of a tank is a symbol of the Imperium's might, a mobile fortress bristling with weaponry. In this video, we'll delve into the details of the Baneblade, exploring its design, its role on the battlefield, and why it continues to be a favorite among Warhammer 40k enthusiasts. Get ready to witness the power of the Baneblade. Number 5. Stay Wet Palette, Miniature and Acrylic Painting. This palette features a vertical, stackable design with 3 tiers. It includes a base tray for hydration paper, a middle insert with paint wells, and a lid with a tool rest. This design helps reduce desk clutter by consolidating your palette and rinsing areas into one unit. Despite its compact size, this palette offers up to 30% more usable paint area than most hobby trays. The smart layout gives you room to mix and paint without crowding, making it perfect for batch painting or detailed work. The no-curl hydration paper lays flat instantly and maintains perfect moisture without puddling. Paired with a neutral gray sponge, it prevents glare and color distortion. This helps you mix true flesh tones and create subtle gradients with confidence. Life happens, but your paint shouldn't dry out. The precision-molded TPE gasket creates a tight seal, preserving mixes for days or even weeks. You can just uncap and paint where you left off. Whether you're painting miniatures or assembling model kits, this palette supports your process. From casual painters to studio professionals, it delivers precision, clarity, and control. It's designed to meet the needs of various painting styles. Other palettes may look similar, but this one is built with durable materials and a quality-tested hydration system. Trusted by thousands of painters, it delivers the performance that imitators can't match once the painting begins. What we like. This palette's compact 3-tier design is a game-changer, maximizing your workspace. The airtight seal keeps your paints fresh for days, even weeks, saving you time and money. If you're a painter who values organization, paint preservation, and accurate color mixing, you should consider this palette. It's perfect for both casual and professional use. What people say. The paint stays moist for ages. The included dry palette is great for mixing colors. No curling, very durable, zero bubbling, and even the edges of the paints remain moist. The sponge doesn't expand to fill the entire bottom tray, but it's close enough, and the paper is thick, but allows moisture to come through and keep the paint from drying out. Number 4. Starforged Grey Knight's Purity Seals Brooch Warhammer 40,000. This is an officially licensed Warhammer 40,000 item. It's a beautifully crafted brooch, perfect for any fan of the Grey Knights or the Imperium. The brooch features a detailed purity seal design, a symbol of faith and protection. It's a great way to show your devotion to the Emperor. Made with high-quality materials, this pin badge is built to last. The details are crisp and clear, making it a standout piece. Whether you're a cosplayer or a collector, this brooch is a must-have. It's a great addition to any Warhammer 40,000 collection. Wear this brooch with pride and show your allegiance to the Grey Knights. It's a subtle yet powerful statement for any Warhammer 40,000 enthusiast. What we like. This pin badge features a striking Imperial Inquisition design. The high-quality construction ensures it will last. If you are a fan of the Imperial Inquisition and want to show your allegiance, this pin is a must-have accessory. What people say. Nice and durable, came with 2 different scrolls to put with the seal. Very nice quality and looks great. The cast is very nice and the metal has a nice heft to it. Looks and feels like quality work, as much as a simple metal cast can be. Number 3. Games Workshop Astra Militarum Leman Russ Battle Tank, 2023. This is the Leman Russ Battle Tank from Games Workshop. It's a formidable war machine in the Astra Militarum army. This tank is ready to bring the fight to the enemy. The Leman Russ is known for its heavy firepower. It is equipped with a powerful battle cannon and various other weapons. It can obliterate the enemies on the battlefield. This tank is built to withstand the harshest conditions. Its thick armor protects the crew inside. It is a symbol of strength and resilience. With its imposing presence and devastating firepower, it dominates the battlefield. It is a key asset for any Astra Militarum commander. Use it to crush your foes. Add the Leman Russ battle tank to your collection today. It is a must-have for any Warhammer 40,000 fan. Get ready to lead your forces to victory. What we like. The Leman Russ battle tank is a classic for a reason. This edition brings the iconic Astra Militarum tank to your tabletop. If you love the Astra Militarum and want a powerful tank for your army, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The model is highly detailed and captures the imposing presence of the Baneblade. The kit includes a variety of weapon options, allowing for customization. The build process is enjoyable and results in a fantastic centerpiece for any Warhammer 40k army. Number 2. Starforged Warhammer 40k Brooch Pendant. This exquisite brooch pendant is a must-have for any Warhammer 40k enthusiast. It's a finely crafted piece, perfect for displaying your allegiance. Showcasing the emblems of the Adepta Sororitas, Grey Knights, and Ultramarines, this pendant represents the best of the Imperium. Wear it with pride. Featuring the iconic Purity Seals design, this pendant is a symbol of faith and devotion. It's a powerful statement piece. Made with attention to detail, this pendant is built to last. The quality of the materials ensures it will remain a cherished item for years to come. Looking for the perfect gift? This pendant is an ideal choice for any Warhammer 40k fan. They will love it. What we like. This piece features a beautiful Adepta Sororitas design. You can wear it as a pendant or a brooch. If you are a fan of the Adepta Sororitas and want a versatile piece of jewelry, this is a great option. What people say. The model is highly detailed and accurately represents the Baneblade tank from the Warhammer 40,000 universe. The kit includes a variety of weapon options, allowing for customization. The build process is enjoyable and rewarding, with clear instructions and well-fitting parts. Number 1. Games Workshop Warhammer 40,000 Eldritch Omens. This is your first opportunity to get the new miniatures. It includes an Autarch, Shroud Runners, Rangers, a Warpsmith, and Chosen. They are ready for battle. A swift Asuryani scout force clashes with the infernal warriors of the Dark Gods. They are fighting against their twisted machines. Watch the epic battle unfold. Get everything you need to play through a new set of missions. The missions are focused on the Nachmund War Zone. It's an exciting new way to play. This set brings you new miniatures and a new way to play. It's a great addition to your collection. Get ready for an epic experience. Experience the thrill of Warhammer 40,000 with this new set. It's packed with action and adventure. You will not be disappointed. What we like. This set gives you a first chance to secure new Eldari and Chaos Space Marines miniatures. It includes an Autarch, Shroud Runners, Rangers, a Warpsmith, and Chosen. If you are looking to expand your armies with new units and play through new missions, this is the perfect set for you. What people say. Autarchs are pretty nice and Chosen are pretty decent right now. You get your investment back with just one of the armies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.